Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work at the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I'd like to show you a craft today that you can do with your children. And I call him Monster Man. This is what he looks like. So what you need for Monster Man is, first of all, either a green paper plate or just a green circle cut out of some green construction paper. That would be just fine also. He doesn't have to be on a paper plate. Then you need black construction paper and you cut out this, which is his hair, to make him look like, I guess, a Frankenstein or whatever you want to call your monster, a green monster, I guess. You also need 2 of these out of your black construction paper, and these are his ears. If monsters can hear, I'm not sure, but I call them his ears. You need 2 of those. And then you need a little strip for your mouth to make him look serious, like, you know, that's, I guess, how he looks. If you want him to look even meaner, you would turn it upside down, cut the strip like that, and he's like, even meaner. I don't know. However you want him to look, that's what you do. You need some googly eyes, or you could cut white pieces of paper and just draw black circles in the middle to make eyes. And then you need a popsicle stick. If you didn't want him to be a puppet, I guess you could just make just the face, and you could just put that on your refrigerator without the popsicle stick. He doesn't have to be a puppet. He can be whatever you want him to be because he's your monster. So make him look how you want him to look. So let's look at him closely. Is he a little scary? Slightly scary? Maybe? All right. Happy Halloween. Have fun. Happy crafting. Bye.